What is the difference between ArrayList and TreeSet? ArrayList is the implemented class of list interface, whereas TreeSet is the implemented class of set interface. ArrayList can store different types of data as well as duplicate data, but TreeSet cannot contain duplicate data as well as TreeSet cannot contain different types of data also. Means TreeSet can have similar type of data and TreeSet does not allow to add duplicate data. Okay, ArrayList follows insertion order. TreeSet does not follow insertion order. ArrayList follows indexing, but TreeSet does not follow indexing. Okay, ArrayList is good for retrieval of data. TreeSet is good for sorting the data. Okay, ArrayList then we can क्या कह सकते हैं हम, ArrayList extends abstract list class whereas TreeSet extend abstract set class. ओके ऐसे डिफरेंस हम बता सकते हैं. चलो गाइज हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए क्वेश्चन के साथ और उसका नया आंसर.